Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking about how couples should handle their phones to avoid ruining their relationship. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charepa. Follow Faith Peters on Facebook and Instagram for your fashion and design needs. And do not forget to visit noraarake.com. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. 1. When you are with your partner, do not put your phone on silence. It comes off as if you are hiding something. Number 2, save your partner with a special name. For example, if your partner's name is Nora, add something. Nora darling. Give it a special feeling. Let it not just be like any other contact in your phone. Okay? Let it stand out. Next is pick your calls clearly. Do not hide or talk in low tone when you are answering your phone in front of your partner. Do not go away to hide when you are talking to someone on your phone. And if they are trying to flirt with you or ask you out, be very frank and tell them that you have someone else and you are not going to entertain their suggestions and you won't entertain them taking you out. Be very frank and blunt, politely. Number 4, whenever you are talking to your partner, end it with a lovely talk, a high talk, something which elevates her feelings for you. Maybe I love you or I miss you. Say something. Don't just say what you want and hang up the phone, even without saying I'll see you later. Number 5, do not overchat with other people. Do not overstay chatting with other people online when you are not chatting with your partner. It's bad, it raises questions and it's annoying. Number 6, do not let your partner feel ignored. If you are busy doing something, work or meetings or with your friends, notify your partner. Tell your partner that you won't be able to pick or answer calls in this period of time because you are doing this and that. They will understand. It will prepare them mentally. Number 7, do not flirt with others. Only flirt with your partner on phone. Number 9, take lots of photos and videos together as a couple. You will need them to look at them. You can even save it as your screensaver to look at it when your partner is away, as a constant reminder that you have a relationship. You have someone you care about and someone who cares about you. Number 10, minimize phone use when you are together so that you can focus on each other. It's very absurd for you to be dumped in your phone, so much deep buried in your phone when you are with your partner. It is very bad. Number 11, normalize picking your phone calls in front of your partner when you are with your partner. Don't make it a habit of going away pretending to look for network, to pick your calls and to talk on phone. Your partner is going to perceive it like you're hiding something or you are cheating. It's bad for your relationship. Number 12, use your phone to communicate. Communicate that you arrived safely. Communicate that you are fine. Communicate that you miss him or you love him. Communicate your love, especially when you don't stay together. Use your phone to thank your partner. Use your phone to converse with your partner. Use your phone to discuss with your partner. Not to abuse your partner. Not to nag your partner. Not to play FBI on your partner. Number 13, except if it's an emergency. Don't nag your partner with continuous calls. If your partner can't be reached, you call the first time Maybe you give it time and call the second time. Give it time. Let it rest. He or she will see your calls and he or she will return them. But if you keep calling, call after call, text after text, nagging all the time, especially if your partner is at work or being engaged in any other productive activities. Number 14, call back. You've seen a missed call. Call back. If your partner reaches out, reach out too. If you find a text, text back, answer that text. Don't just blue tick your partner or ghost your partner. It is not good. Number 15, always save your partner's phone number as an emergency number so that he or she is the first person to be reached when something happens to you, when something bad happens to you. It's very important. Number 16, only in cases of long distance relationships, avoid solving major issues and conflicts on the phone. Always meet and solve issues face to face. It is very bad and very disheartening to start arguing and making big fights over the phone. You don't know what the other person is doing that way, the other side where you are not. Meet and solve conflicts and issues face to face. Number 17, even in cases of anger, annoyance, and bitter arguments, never refuse to pick your partner's call. This is a moment your partner needs you the most, when they are hurting and grieving and angry, because you don't know what he or she is doing on the other side. People do bizarre things when they are angry. You don't want that. At least pick up, tell your partner that I can't talk right now, but we shall handle this tomorrow or when we meet or the next time. But never refuse to pick your partner's call. It is very bad. 18. Always inform your partner when you are to turn off your phone, especially in cases of long distance relationships. Keep your partner from worrying. They don't know where you are and what you're doing. So it's not good for you to just turn off your phone. If you sense that your battery is running low, inform them firsthand that your battery is running low and your phone will be off until a time you will charge your phone and reach them. Number 19. Do not use your phones to post too much of your love life on social media. Keep some of your things private. Keep some of your fun and love private to yourselves, because you have to protect yourselves from the evil eye. Number 20. Even if you two are having problems, don't vent them on social media, using your social media posts to show that you two are having problems, you two are breaking up, you two are fighting, you two are arguing over this. Don't do that. Use your phones productively. After all, even the people you're showing that you're having problems are just laughing at you. They won't help you. I need you to know that communication is a two-way traffic. Don't use your phone to fight with your partner, to engage silent treatment on your partner, to wait for your partner to call first, to contact you first. Don't have these vibes of, let's see who will call first. If I call first, he will think I love him so much. If I call first, she will think I value her so much. So let me keep quiet. Let me see who values another most. Don't do those games. They are childish and they are not funny. You are just teaching your partner to stay long periods not hearing from you. Don't do that. Always engage your partner. Call them, check on them. Don't wait for them to do it first. Number 21, like I said, use your phones to communicate to each other about what's happening about you. Don't let your partner find out what's happening to you on social media or from other people. Yet you have a phone, you can tell them. Do not post anything on social media before your partner knows about it. Before you've told your partner about it. It's very disrespectful and bad. Number 22. Always explain your long phone calls, especially when your partner tries calling you for a long period of time and your calls are busy, your phone is busy. Transparency is very important in a relationship. It doesn't mean that all the time your phone is busy for prolonged periods of time you are cheating or flirting. Just explain to your partner. Let your partner know whom you're talking to and what you are talking about. Number 24. Put away your phones when your partner needs undivided attention. Completely away. Not silent mode. Not like you will ask them to go aside and you speak on phone. Just put it away completely. Don't look at it. Don't do anything. If you need undivided attention as a couple, agree to put away your phones, all of you. 25 and very important. Don't put your phones in airplane mode, flight mode. It shows that you are hiding something. If you are to put your phones away, maybe to switch off your phones, agree about it as a couple. Don't let your partner catch you putting your phone in silent mode every time you are with them. It shows that you have something to hide. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charimpo. To purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.